My video guide is about removing the browser notifications and scary pop-ups that are coming from the site Watchmostdevelopedtheproduct.vip. This is a deceptive website which attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. The website tries to trick people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. For this purpose, the pop-up indicates that there is something wrong happening with the computer. For instance, this message claiming that your PC is infected with 5 viruses. All these pop-ups are absolutely fake and deceptive, and you should not trust their misleading content. If you click on this button called Delete Viruses, you may be forwarded to some other dangerous resources that may promote some other potentially unwanted software. To sum up, I recommend you to be very careful whenever you see those ads and do not ever install anything that they suggest. There may be the great portion of such annoying pop-ups periodically attacking your screen. I recommend that you research your device with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and begin researching your system with its help in order to detect and delete all other threats that could possibly remain on your device. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.